Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Trello to Slack, so let's get right into it. This is a very easy thing to do, and you will be connecting your entire workspace to Slack, so it is not limited to only boards. You can connect everything, and I'm pretty sure you can only connect your entire workspace. You cannot connect individual boards, but that doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is show you how you can do that, and let's start by going into the workspace settings. You just click on this button to the left right here, and then you go to workspace settings again, and you'll arrive at this page. As you can see, you have the Atlassian Intelligence option. I'll just disable that. You have workspace visibility, workspace membership restrictions, etc., etc. And if we scroll down, as you can see here, you have the option to link your Slack and Trello workspaces together to collaborate on Trello projects, and you can very easily do this. So if I click add to Slack, and as you can see, I've already connected a workspace, but once I click connect to Slack, this is what it looks like. You need to wait for the allow button to turn green or blue depending on what you're using, and once you're here, you just click allow. And as you can see, you'll need to authorize it again. Just wait until the allow button turns blue and click on it again. Once that's done, as you can see, the Trello board will be connected. If I go down, as you can see, that workspace on Slack has been connected with the Slack workspace. This was already the case before, but now I've shown you how to do it again, and now you can just use Slack integrated with Trello. There are commands which you can use on Slack, which I don't know off the top of my heart, so you will need to figure them out yourself. Just Google it. It is a very easy thing to find. You can even, I think, type help in Slack and you'll be given commands which you can use, but that is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.